I domino. It's one of those phrases that has gone viral recently on TikTok and other social platforms, leaving people scratching their heads. What does it mean? Where did it come from? Let's break it down. At its core, I domino doesn't directly translate to anything in English. It's usually shouted in a playful or exaggerated tone, making it feel more like an exclamation or inside joke. That's what gives it such viral appeal. The phrase originated from a popular TikTok sound, typically used in funny or chaotic videos. It's paired with moments when things go hilariously wrong, someone falling, objects getting knocked over, or any kind of domino effect chaos. The word domino in the phrase immediately connects it to the game of dominoes, where knocking over one piece triggers a cascade. This metaphor fits the types of videos the sound gets used in, where one small action leads to a bigger mess. But let's be real. The internet often takes phrases like this and turns them into something much bigger. What started as a simple sound on TikTok gained millions of views because nostalgia and humor click with everyone. A common pain point here is how disconnected certain slang or viral sounds feel if you're not regularly on TikTok. Suddenly, everyone's saying, "I domino," and you're left wondering if you missed a secret meeting. If you're trying to figure out how to use I domino, here's a pro tip. It works best for humorous timing. Did your dog knock over a stack of papers? I domino. Did your drink spill? I domino. It's all in the delivery. From a cultural standpoint, phrases like this also highlight the quick evolution of internet humor. Something meaningless gets turned into a trend overnight, and suddenly it feels like part of a language we're all learning on the fly. Here's the kicker. The full appeal of I domino is in how random it feels. It's absurd, it's weird, and it doesn't take itself seriously. That's prime internet meme content, which thrives on absurdity. But don't overthink it. Most people using I domino aren't having philosophical debates about its origin. They're just having fun and joining in for the meme's 15 minutes of fame. If you're feeling behind on trends like this, don't worry. Even the trendiest people struggle to keep up. It's impossible to know everything that's viral every single week. Instead, pick what connects with you. And if you think phrases like I domino are going out of style too quickly, here's a number. More than 90% of viral TikTok sounds fade within a month, but their micro moments still leave a cultural impact. So next time you hear I domino used online or by your friends, you're in on the joke now. And who knows, maybe you'll find your own perfect moment to try it out.